Are you spending a bunch of time each month trying to figure out if enough people are available to keep everything running smoothly? Sure, staff have earned their right for some time off, but please, not everyone at the same time. Figuring this out each time a request comes in feels like such a waste of time. Sure, you can use reports to figure it out. You can train the managers in your company how to look everything up, but it's just such a hassle. So that's where leave limits comes in. Simply set some rules. How many people are allowed on leave at the same time, either company-wide, like this one, or narrow it down even further per department. You could even decide to temporarily be a bit more restrictive. So let's say finance department in January needs to wrap up the books. We got you covered for that as well. Just add a limit, decide it's for the finance department. Say we just do one employee, January only. But what if you don't want some kind of system to take the whole humanity out of it? It's no problem. You decide for each rule if the system should simply block people from making a request or warn them and leave the decision up to the approver. So in that way, when an exception happens, some kind of emergency, maybe a funeral, it's up to the approver to decide on how to deal with it. So, ready to make leave management effortless? Start using leave limits today.
Leave dates, putting the whoop into out of office.